In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on Facebook. So if you want to change your location on Facebook, whether you're located to another country or state or not, you can easily change location on your Facebook and still share this location with your friends and family without leaving your current location on Facebook. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to change your location on Facebook is open the Facebook application on your phone. It could be Android and it could be iPhone. Once you're on your Facebook page, click on the profile icon there. Now scroll down and click on this mob option. Now scroll down and click on the edit button on your Facebook profile page or edit bar. So this depends whether you set your Facebook to professional mode or not. So I'm using the Facebook professional mode. That is why I have the edit button just like this. So go ahead and click on the edit button. Once you selected that, scroll down and click on your current location. You can see lives in, select where you live. So edit your location details. Once you click on that, wait for this page to load. Then after that, scroll down, keep scrolling and go to current city and click on this edit pencil. Then delete your current city here. Then type in your new location. Let's say you relocated from Nigeria to California. So type in California and then hang on for this suggestions to come up. You can see we have few suggestions here. Then go ahead and select your current location from any of these. Then click on this drop menu beside public to choose whether you want anyone on Facebook to see your current location, your friends, only you. Then click on see more again to see whether you can choose your current location with your close friend or acquaintance, whichever one you choose. So in this case, I'm going to change this to only me. Then after that, click on the save button. Once you selected save button, just hang on. There you go. You should see pop-up that says updated save. Do you want to share this as a live event? You may go ahead and share this as a live event or not. To share as a live event, click on share. To not share as a live event, click on this star button. Then hang on for this page to load. You can see I currently live in Ibadan, Nigeria, right? Then hang on for this to load. And once this loads, this is going to show the new location or current city you selected from this process. Now you can see I now live in Sacramento, California. So that's how you can easily change your current location on Facebook. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.